I, with my flip-flops on, scrambled up to this little hill here and effectively crashed the drone and tried to catch it and slice my fingers. So we're a family of 4 with our dog Luna, traveling in a van across Europe and beyond, searching for a beautiful place to call home. And this is our journey, and this is our story. So we stopped by the side of the road here to fly the drone because it's beautiful, epic sunset here, and up there is some just autumn turning forest. I scrambled to the top of this ridge, which is actually just goes straight down the other side, so it's balancing on the top. I went balancing on the top, just scrambled up there in my flip-flops, crashed the drone, sliced my fingers, and caused an argument with Beata, and I just don't know what I'm doing sometimes, just rushing, and not taking care, you know?